we're going to the beach, and we're going with 49 to Market, their brand new Vintage Artistry Beached collection. Now this is the 12 by 12 paper pack, and you get a look at all of the papers there, but I'm going to show them to you. In addition to the 6 double-sided papers, you also get 48 laser cuts. So here we have one. On the back of the cover, this company doesn't waste anything. They're going to give you another paper. At the bottom, where on some sheets there's the UPC code, on the back of it there is a border that you can clip off and use, and that's a really nice bonus. As I said, everything is double-sided. You can see the palm trees, you can see the dock, and so we've got some waves as well as the compass, and just really a beautiful collage look. Isn't that refreshing? I'll take the palm trees. And words. Boy, I know Sarah's gonna love that. Here we go. More compass, more some very ghosted back stripes. Very pretty. Now you could use these, you could cut this apart if you wanted to. That would work really well. And here is the last one. Then, as I said, there are 48 laser cut pieces. So let me scoot this apart so you can see they just pop right out, as you can see right there. And I love these big, bold ones, and I love the intricacy of them. Just so much fun. There you go, and there is the second sheet. And as I said, again, 48 of the laser cuts. Very, very nice. We'll flip this over and set these aside and get on with the rest of the collection. Now, we also have the 6 by 8 papers. Now, this is going to have 2 each of 8 double-sided papers. We'll get a little bit closer just so you can see this, and I'll show each of them to you. They are the same ones that are in the 12 by 12, but as I said, they are 6 by 8. So 1, you see the back side, 2, 3. No borders on these because you don't have a UPC code at the bottom, so just want to show you that. Love the colors, love the collage look. So very nice. And I think, are we back to the first one? Not quite. There we go. Just another day in paradise, and there's the back side of it. Very pretty. Okay, in this you will also get, where are my laser cuts? There they are, they're at the back. Okay, you also get a total of 100 laser cuts. Now, as I said, this is the 6 by 8 collection, and you're going to get 2 each of these sheets. So you get the smaller version, so you get 1 net instead of 2 like on the 12 by 12, but just beautiful, beautifully cut. Very, very fun to use. Okay, now that is the 6 by 8, but there is more. Now, Little Bits is, the Ephemera Bits is a collection of 90 die cut pieces, and I'm just going to open this up. You can see them all on the back. There's the item number, and I'll just pop this open just to give you a look. There are just 90 is a huge amount. In fact, from their earlier collections, the Ephemera Bits has sold out so quickly that they're going to try to get more in future collections, but what we get is what we get. So you can see, very fun postcard looking, and you get greetings, you get some flip-flops, you get anchors, you just get so many things, and it goes all the way up to larger pieces too. So the 90 pieces that you're going to get is just going to be a variety of things. All of these little windows are going to pop out, and you've got a beautiful window. So as you can, just beachy, living at the beach, life with you is a grand adventure. We've got some palm leaves, just so many things. Okay, that's enough of that. Then we're going to get into the wishing, bubbles, and trinkets, and I think these are gorgeous. They are epoxy. Some have words. Some are just a kind of a half of a bubble. Others are the artwork, just really gorgeous, and they do it so well. Speaking of doing it so well, there is also the rubons. Now, if you haven't tried the rubons, you're in for a treat, because they're not like the rubons that kind of didn't work years ago. These work, they're gorgeous, and you're going going to get 6 sheets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get all the words and greetings, you get those wonderful nets, all of the foliage, and you get this handy little tool. So no longer are we using a popsicle stick. So that works really, really well. Now, something else, we have the washi tape. Now, this sheet is actually die cut into sections. The back sheet, you get 2 of them, is an all-over pattern. So you can tear it, you can cut it apart, you can use it however you like. So that works very nicely. And both of these sheets are 6 by 12 inches, so you can see just what a big variety you get. And then the last part of the next to the last part of the collection, these are chipboard stickers. So these are printed onto chipboard, and they are die cut and they're adhesive on the back, and there are 24 pieces on that sheet. And lastly, we have some really fun paper clips. We've got Paradise, we've got 3 sets of flip-flops, and that's just going to make a perfect accent. So these cute little guys, we've got the chipboard, we've got the washi, we've got the rubons, we've got the epoxy, we have the 6 by 8, and everything is topped off by the 12 by 12. We're ready to go to the beach, and I'm delighted to tell you these are available now at paperwishes.com.